Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Today's lesson is going to be about kindness and how we can promote kindness even if we're far away. Think about the last time that somebody has done something kind for you. Maybe they cooked you breakfast, maybe they helped you with a project or their homework, or maybe just giving you a smile or a hug. I know when somebody shows kindness to me, it makes me so happy that I want to do it for someone else. I want to see them smile. I'm going to show you a video today. It's one of my favorite videos. And I want you to notice what is happening when the characters in the video show kindness to each other. Hope you enjoy. It's one of my favorite videos. And it says when you show acts of kindness, you color your world. In the video, when the characters did something nice to each other, there's a pop of color, and it changed the way they looked. They were smiling, they were happy, and they did something nice for someone else. Your challenge this week is I want you to do an act of kindness. Actually, do as many acts of kindness as you can. Start small. Maybe just tell somebody thank you for what they do for you. Maybe give someone a hug at home, or write a letter or a picture and give it to your mom or dad so they can send it to your teacher. When we show acts of kindness, we make our world a better place. On this Padlet where you access this video, there's the first challenge, and then there is a song called Kindness is a Muscle. You can check that out. It has a good message. And the third thing you can do, if you would like, if you watch a TV show or a video on YouTube, I want you to think about how did the characters show kindness to each other. Maybe somebody said hello, maybe someone smiled, maybe someone gave something to someone else. Just notice it. If you would like to share it on the Padlet, please do. You don't have to. And I will see you guys next time. And I'm so excited to hear about your acts of kindness you're going to show to each other. Have a wonderful day. Happy Grace.